How's it going, guys? Adam from Clayton Off-Road. Today we're going to talk about our Jeep Grand Cherokee front adjustable track bar. This track bar is designed to be used between 3 and 6 inches of lift. It uses a forged Johnny joint at the frame end. Has an 1 3/8, 5/16 wall DOM tube. It's machined to fit into the factory pocket. Now this track bar is upgradable, or has been upgraded to a 9/16 grade 8 bolt, both axle side and frame side. So you will have to drill out the location. But this will give you a much stronger grade 8 bolt, which has a torque spec of 146 foot-pounds. So you have a much better clamping force, or if your factory holes are egged out, this will solve that problem. Track bar has a lifetime warranty against bending or breaking. So once again, this is for Jeep Grand Cherokee WJ 1999 through 2004 with a lift somewhere in the 3 to 6 inch range. Check the website for more details and pricing. Thank you.